bit more detail about markers. So let's say we want to work with this marker right here. If you double click it, it will open this window and you can change the color. So let's say you want each one of your markers to be a different color. You can also name it. So this is where I have clip 2 starting. You can say clip 2 and say, all right. So now we have this named, and if you hover your mouse over it, it lets you know clip 2. And let's say we want to do something to this one. We'll make it this color and we'll call it clip 3. And you can notice how you can change the duration of it. So right now there's no duration, but if you want it to be 5 seconds to last like the whole time that your video is, that track is playing, or that clip, you can go in here and set the marker to be across the whole thing. And that way you can even read which one it is, clip 1, 2, 3. Obviously it's not very complicated on this file because there's not much going on, but sometimes when you have a really big project, things like that are very useful. And I do believe on the test they're going to ask you how to do that too.